Kamaya did a great job. She got first place in the 4x100 relay, first place in the 100 meter, first place in the shuttle, and second place in the football shuttle. She did great. Here we have Ivan. Ivan got first place 4x100, first place co-ed shuttle, second place football shuttle, and second place 4x400. Jasmine got first place in the 4x100 relay, fourth place in the 400 meter, fourth place 200 meter, first place in the shuttle, and second place in the football shuttle. Troy got second place in the obstacle course, fourth place in the 4x100 relay, fourth place 200 meter, and second place in the football shuttle. Linnea got first place in the 4x100 relay, third place in the 400 meter, first place in the shuttle, and second place in the football shuttle. Ken got fourth place in the 4x100, fourth in the 100 meter, and fourth in the 4x400. Okay, this one's going to take me some time. Davin, first place in the 4x100, third place in 400 dash, first place 100 meter, first place co-ed shuttle, second place football shuttle.
Highly decorated.
Sienna, fourth place obstacle course, fourth place 400 dash, and the fourth place 200 meter. Jarrell, third place football throw, first place shuttle. Alana, second place 400 meter dash, first place shuttle, second place football shuttle, second place 4x400 relay.
Nice.
And for Jay, first place 4x100 relay, second place 4x400 co-ed, first place football throw, first place shuttle, second place football shuttle. And our team captain, our only 8th grader this year, was Philly. Philly, fourth place 4x100, first place soccer dribble, third place 100 meter, and second place football throw. Ryan, second place obstacle course, fourth place 400 meter dash. All right, this will take me some time too. Ricardo, first place 4x100 relay, first place 400 meter dash, second place 100 meter, third place 200 meter, first place co-ed shuttle, second place co-ed football. Carla has first place 4x100, fifth place soccer dribble, fourth place 200 meter, first place shuttle, second place football shuttle, and second place 4x400. Samuel has second place obstacle course, fourth place 400 meter. Mariana has fourth place obstacle course, fourth place 4x100, third place 100 meter, and fourth place 4x400. Ruben has second place obstacle course, fourth place 4x100, fifth place 200 meter, and fourth place 4x400 relay. Okay, thank you. Now we have Mia. Mia's a sixth grader, but Mia did such a great job during practice and everything. We moved her up to 7-8. Yeah. So for Mia, we have a fourth place 4x100 relay, fourth place 100 meter, and a fourth place 4x400. All right, let's hear it for our athletes. Thank you. So we have another surprise for them that they might not even know. This year, our sixth grade team took second place overall in the Kennedy Games. So I want to thank the athletes, but I really want to thank Mr. Morales. Mr. Morales did a great job. He spent lots of hours out there, so let's hear it for Mr. Morales as well. And this year we had Miss Eckerty. She was a big, huge help for us out there as well. So athletes, thank you.
Just